guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, wish you a very happy new year. May this year bring a lot of health, wealth, success, and happiness to you and your loved ones. On that note, today we have a girl from third year computer science who is got an offer from Google as a data center intern, and I'm really happy to host her. Let's see her journey, how she prepared, and what are the tips and tricks she would give it to you. So, in case if you want to apply for that particular role, or Google comes to your own college, you can apply for that and win the internship. On that note, please hit the like button, guys. It really motivates me to make the videos, to actually shoot them and give up to you on the YouTube channel. On that note, please hit the like button as well. Let's dive into the video. Hi Jayashree, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to host you today, and it is a pleasure. And I'm feeling so proud that my junior from my own college has actually cracked up internship from Google, which is indeed so amazing. So first of all, congratulations for your internship, Jayashree.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, so we would love to hear about you. From where are you, and what all have you done up till now?
So basically, as you know that my name is Yashri Gupta and I'm from Rajasthan itself. I'm from Pilani, and I've started my journey of in the field of cybersecurity. So I've started my journey in second year, and I've started with some internships in the field of cybersecurity with some startups as well as some well-known companies. And then I've worked as a campus ambassador as well. Then I've worked as a HR, graphic designer, and I've also joined some communities and got selected for the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. And I'm a beta level Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and currently I'm working as a chapter lead for Girl Script Jaipur. And that's all about me. Also, have joined several university like programs, community programs also.
That's so great that you are not only good in academics but also non-academically you're doing amazing. So first of all, we love to know about your internship at Google. Like, how was the process? Like, for which role are you actually selected, and was it an on campus or off campus, and for what is the duration of your internship?
Okay, so basically, the Google came at our campus for the data center internship, and it was a resume-based selection. So, like first, I got selected, and for a 2 months internship at Google.
Okay, yeah. So Google came to the college, and for how many rounds were actually there? What was the process of recruitment at Google Center role?
Basically, there were 3 rounds. First round was the resume selection round, and there were around 1,100 plus students from all the branches. Almost all the branches were allowed for this, and among that, five of them selected for the further rounds. Then we have two interview rounds, 45 minutes each, and then three students got selected for the final round, final interview round.
Okay,
So that
so
was
okay, so what was the criteria for selection for those five students? There was some online exam.
No. It was a resume-based selection and then a phone call. They have asked some few questions that was mainly focused on the networking and Linux and like some OS, so like related to that.
Okay, so after that, five students were selected. What about the interview? Like, how was your interview? What all questions and what all subjects were actually asked in that?
Okay, so next day it was an interview round for 45 minutes, and for that there were several recruiters, like not the same recruiter for every interview. So like for me, I have an Indian recruiter, and he was asking me questions related to the Linux and Linux operating system and like troubleshooting hardware, software, and like other basic computer components as well as like hardware. So it was embedded, like hardware as well as software mix up interview round. And then next day, I was having my second interview, and it was mainly focused on the networking side, like networking and like a basic DSA, and that was it.
Okay, so how many students were finally selected for this role of internship?
Only one student, like only me, got selected for this internship.
Oh, that's interesting. So, what would you suggest, like, for the people who are upcoming, your juniors, or maybe the person who is seeing this video and wants to get selected for a data center role? So, which all subjects, according to you, are most important, for this role, as far as interview is considered, the full call interview is considered? Yeah.
Okay, so basically, we should have a knowledge of all the core subjects. Basically, like OOPS and DSA is most important. Then, a part of that, we should have knowledge of DCN that we have in our fifth semester, and like we should have knowledge of like a basic operating system also. Like if you are interested in cybersecurity, then you must have knowledge of Linux and like other operating system. So that's the most basic requirement for this. And a part of this, we should have some like basic knowledge of the hardware part, of the software part, and some like sorting algorithms, so like that.
Okay. So what else? What do you would think that, how did your resume was, shortlisted? What was one thing you would say that a resume should have? Uh, or I would rather frame the question like, what do you think? How did your resume got shortlisted? What was the main crux in your resume that outshined others? Yeah.
Okay, so actually, my resume was a mix up of all the things. Like it was academics as well as other activities. So, like academic is also good. You should have a good CGPA. You should have participated in some events or cultural fest also. And a part of that, you should have a community. You should join a community. You should contribute to a community, and you should must have an experience. Like it's the most important thing. Like some of the students think that experience is not important, only projects are important. So like everything plays equal role. So we must have projects, we must have the internships, we must have the other awards and activities in our resume. So that will be a like plus point for us.
Okay, so as the role is data center role, how do you think that DBMS played a role in the interview section, or somewhere, uh, in the interview process, or in the recruitment whole the recruitment process? Was DBMS a part of the interview?
Not much, but DBMS play an important role because we must have a basic knowledge of the data. But the questions were not asked from the DBMS part. So like its basic knowledge is important, like how SQL works or like that server part, how we connect database, like that. We must not go into deep into that. So it was not asked in the interview.
Okay, so you must have given other interviews also, right? What do you think that what are the major subjects as far as internships are considered, as far as, these 2 months internships at various companies are considered? Is it company wise? Like, should we focus company wise? Ki, acha, Google is coming, so we have to prepare this way. For Microsoft is coming, we have to prepare this way, or it is common for all? What do you think in that?
Okay, so basically for that, company base is also important. Like first of all, we should have a prior knowledge of the company, like which company is approaching to our campus, or like for which company we are applying through off campus. So that's one thing. But the thing that we should focus on is our communication skills, our confidence, and also on the basic knowledge that is required. Like your concepts must be clear. Like if you are good at OS, then you just say that to the interview that I'm good at OS. Please ask the question on related to the OS. Like we can turn up our interview to our like to our own. So that's the part that we should learn that by like by practicing and by like enhancing our skills.
Exactly. So, what do you think that apart from your academics played a greater role in your selection for the internship? What apart from non-academics, or soft skills, you would say that played a greater role? So, can you highlight some of the points that you felt कि अच्छा ये काम कर गया मेरे लिए? something like that. Yeah.
For me, the plus point was the internship and the experience. So, and a part of that, I have also participated in several communities events. So, that was also a plus point for me. Like currently, I'm working as a chapter lead. So, leadership skills is very important. Like they will check your leadership skills, that whether you are able to handle a project, or you are able to the work in a team. So, teamwork is also important. So they will basically check the basic skills, and they will just ask the questions related to the leadership as well. Like they will give you some situations on which you have to answer, and they will check your leadership skills and your confidence, your thinking, and your approach for that problem. So that also matters a lot.
Okay, great. So, one more question, a follow-up question to that. A lot many of students, approach me saying ki the I don't have any projects and my internship is approaching. So, what are your views on that? Is project really matters? Or as you said, I did an internship, right? But internship is slightly different from working on a whole project, right? So, what are your views on that? Like, what would you suggest to those students who say ki I don't have projects and internships are also approaching? And I have to focus on DSA. So, what are your views on DSA versus projects?
Okay, so in my resume, I have a project on C++. So it was a like library project for C++ library. So on my interview, it was asked that about my project, like little bit, like how we approach for the project and what's your idea about it. So I want to say that project is good, but if you don't have any project in your resume, but you are having the internship experience, then it's good. It's completely fine that you will go ahead with that, but you should have the complete knowledge of the internship, the work you have done at the internship. You must be very confident about it, and you should have a proper knowledge and proper justification for all the questions related to the your experience. Then coming to the part that about project, like for some companies, for hardware based company, if you are from EC branch, then you must have some project related to that, like embedded project or any hardware related project. So it will be a plus point for that. But a part of that, you can also go to you can go to DSA part, and you can do the some project work on the languages like C++, Java. It will also work.
Okay, great, great. So, finally, I just have a question that what are the tips that you would say? Ki, okay, as you said, networking played a huge role in this internship, right? Networking, operating system, these are very important subjects, but lot of us, ignore these subjects. Ki, अरे इससे क्या ही पूछेंगे? Mainly they focus on DSA part, but it turned upside down for you, right? So, what are basic things that you would say ki, that ki this much part of basic DCN you should know, or some, or what are the resources from where you studied for these particular internships?
So basically, I would suggest to all my juniors and others like focusing on the core subject is very important. Like if you are having some core subject like OOPS, like we have OS operating systems and we have DSA, so we should most focus on these subjects. Like if we ignoring such subject, it will not work, because we these questions were definitely will be asked in the interview. So we should have to focus on it. And a part of this, like if you are not good at particular subject, like you are not good at DCN, so you can go with the OS, but you must have knowledge of basic DCN questions that will be asked, like that will be frequently asked. So you can check that questions at YouTube, at archives or any other websites. For me, like I was much interested in the networking part, so I'm good at that. So I've started my journey in second year. So I was clear with the concepts of the networking, and I have studied through YouTube, through the websites, and through my internships. So that was a plus point for me, and was a turning point for me, like for Google, that have joined Google on the basis of that. So that was good for me. But yeah, if you're not good at DCN, so it doesn't matter. You just need to have like a few basic questions. Like you must have a knowledge of few basic questions, so that you could answer those questions to the interview, and you can turn your interview up to your side.
Okay. So one final question, Jayashree, is that what do you think soft skills does matter for an interview, or like the way you present yourself, did it matter, or you think ki only skills, academics, all of these things matter even in Google? Like we say, right, ki Google is a big company wherein you actually have to be very academically very strong. What do you think soft skills like communication, the way you behave, the way you act in front of the interviewers, does that matter?
Basically, company recruiter checks your approach. So, like the way you are approaching, the way you are thinking, it matters a lot. And a part of that, that you are thinking something, but you are not representing it in the correct way. So, like it will not work for you. So you must have as that's stronger communication skill, that you must showcase your thinking. Like you must showcase your like what you're approaching, what you're thinking, and what how do you approach that problem. So that matters a lot. You should have a good presenting skills, like the way you present yourself. And a part of that, if you are not good at communication, it will work, but you must know how to answer a question properly, like how to explain that to a recruiter. That matters a lot.
Okay, so that was a final question, Jashri. I just wish that your internship goes very well and you keep on learning, keep on doing exciting things. Would love to host you again, once again, to this channel. One final tip, if you would like to have for all our juniors, or anything that you would like to share or say, or some myths that you had ki aise hota hai, nahi aise hota hai, and now you feel ki if I would have done this, it would definitely change the whole path. So anything that you would tell to the viewers who is seeing this video and watching you live?
Okay, so like I just want to give a single tip. Like we must think that we are not getting internship, like we are not getting 2 months internship. And like I was thinking the same, but then Google came suddenly for the first time in our campus, and I got the internship, and only me got the internship. So like it's not difficult to get internship. It's all about luck and your knowledge. So like you must have a good command, and you must have your day. So that matters a lot. So don't be sad, and your day will come, and good things are coming at you. So just practice and focus on the core subjects. That's all.
Thank you so much, Jayashree. Thank you so much. I think a lot many of people would definitely learn from this, and thank you so much for sparing time and coming with us. Thank you so much.